Hello and welcome to Rajshri Food. I'm Ruchi Bharani and in this episode I'm bringing to you a flat bread from North India called the Makke Roti made out of maize flour or cornmeal. Let's look at the ingredients. 1.5 cup of maize flour or cornmeal, salt to taste, 1 teaspoon clarified butter or ghee, 1/4 teaspoon red chilli powder, coriander leaves and lukewarm water. Let's start with making the dough first. I have here 1.5 cup of maize flour, salt to taste, red chilli powder, coriander leaves and very little ghee or clarified butter. If you don't have ghee, you can always use oil. The most important thing to make this bread is to use lukewarm water to make the dough. Just add a little bit right now. A normal soft dough, a little more water. Just a little more water. And the dough is ready. Don't let the dough rest for more than 8 to 10 minutes because the longer time it rests, it's going to become very soft and it's going to be very hard to make the roti then. I'm going to use a very simple trick to make this roti. I have a piece of butter paper over here. I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit of maize flour or cornmeal. Take a nice big ball of the dough. Flatten it out. Keep it in the center of your butter paper and fold it again. Press it a little bit and with the help of a rolling pin, with light pressure, just roll the roti. Turn it around. Just keep turning it around so you get a nice round roti. If you feel the roti is sticking onto the butter paper, just open it up and sprinkle some more maize flour on both the sides. I need a 3 to 4 mm thick roti. Let's cook the roti on a hot pan. Medium flame. Apply a little bit of water because this tends to dry out very easily. Let's just flip it and cook the other side as well. After both the sides are half cooked, I'm also going to cook it on the flame till you get nice and black spots. Flip it over. Apply a little bit of ghee onto the roti before serving. And my roti is ready to serve. Makke di roti and sarson ka saag is a perfect combination. Enjoy it on a cold winter evening. Do try it at home and let us know, and also send in your favorite recipe request. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.